Yeah, text the HDCs. The HDCs claim. Eight things make it negotiable. Listen while I break it down. Gotta be a writing first, no oral paper found. Signed up by the maker or the drawer puts pen to page. Unconditional promise, no conditions, that's the stage. Can't say subject to some other deal you sign. Reference is okay, just don't make it intertwined. Fixed amount of money, interest rate can flex and slide. No other act required, just pay, don't run it high. Payable on demand or at a time that's clear and set. Pay to order bearer magic words. Don't forget checks get the pass though. They don't need those words at all. 7 rules, 1 exception, that's the checklist. Hear the call. HDC, holder in due course, that's the prize. Take it as a holder value. Good faith in your eyes is without notice of a problem. Overdue, forged, or in default. 4 checks for HDC status. Hey, don't you make the fault. Real defenses beat an HDC. Personal defenses don't fade. Is how you'll remember it so that you won't. Forgery, alteration, infancy, duress, illegality's the game. Shelter rule protects the transferee. Takes the HDC's claim. Train. Drafts and checks are 3-way deals. Listen to the road. Drawer orders, draw e-bank pay gets the gold. Promissory notes are 2-way, simpler than the rest. Make a promise is the pay, that's the note undressed. Bearer paper moves by delivery, that's it, nothing more. Order paper needs an endorsement, signature at the door. Blank endorsement, just a signature, turns it into bearer straight. Special endorsement names a person, keeps that order paper state. Restrictive says for deposit only, bank better comply. Ignore that rule, it's conversion, you'll pay the price. Oh my. Negotiations, how it travels, holder status is the key. Get that status, get the rights, that's how it's gotta be. HDC, holder in due course, that's the prize. Take it as a holder value. Good faith in your eyes. Without notice of a problem, overdue, forged, or in default. 4 checks for HDC status. Don't you make the fault. Real defenses beat an HDC. Personal defenses don't fade. Is how you'll remember it so that you won't. Forgery, alteration, infancy, duress, illegality's the game. Shelter rule protects the transferee. Takes the HDC's claim. Now here's the trap they love to set, so listen close, my friend. Personal defenses look real strong, but they don't win in the end. Wait, breach of contract, failure of consideration, fraud, that's in the inducement. Unconscionability, waiver, theft, none of it's improvement. Against an HDC, those defenses fall flat on the floor. Only FAIDS defenses get you through that door. Incapacity, illegality, fraud, and the fathom's the switch. Discharge and bankruptcy, forgery. That's the real defense pitch. HDC, holder in due course, that's the prize. Take it as a holder value. Good faith in your eyes. Without notice of a problem, overdue, forged, or in default. 4 checks for HDC status. Don't you make the fault. Real defenses beat an HDC. Personal defenses don't fade. Is how you'll remember it so that you won't. Forgery, alteration, infancy, duress, illegality's the game. Shelter rule protects the transferee. Takes the HDC's claim. Writing, sign, unconditional, fixed amount, no other act. Demand or definite time, order bearer, that's a fact. Holder, value, good faith, notice. That's the HDC key. FAIDS beats it, personal don't. Now go and pass Article 3. HDCs.